Hello friends, welcome to MAT accounting for a joint stock company issue of a debentures. It means it is an borrowing. Under this we are going to discuss in this video issue of a debentures for consideration other than cash. Let's see little detail. Issue of debentures for consideration other than cash. A company purchase assets from vendors and instead of making payment in cash issues a debentures for consideration thereof. Such issue of a debentures is called a debentures issued for consideration other than cash. Let's see little explanation on this. At the time of buying assets from vendor on credit basis, the company may issue the debentures to the vendor. It is an acknowledgement given by the company for credit purchase of asset, and company will repay the amount at the time of maturity period. Till the maturity period, debenture holder will get the interest from the company at specified rate. Only joint stock company can issue the debentures at the time of credit purchase. Sole trade proprietorship and the private company, they cannot issue the debentures at the time of credit purchase of assets. If company issues debentures at the time of credit purchase of asset is called issue of debentures for consideration other than cash. Consideration means it is an purchase price. So instead of paying amount immediately, a company will pay later and the company will issue the debenture. Let's see the practical problem. Issue of debentures for consideration other than cash. Sun Pharma Limited purchased building for rupees 1,98,000 from NCC Limited. The payment was made by issue of 10% debentures for rupees 100 each. Pass the necessary journal entries for purchase of building and issue of debentures. And three situations are there when A is an debentures are issued at par, B, debentures are issued at 10% premium, C, debentures are issued at 10% discount. Let me discuss the question. Sun Pharma Limited purchased building from NCC Limited for the value of 1,98,000 rupees, and the company going to pay 10% interest on that, and the face value of debenture is 100. And we need to prepare journals in this three situation. Before posting the journal entries, and we need to do the working note, and we need to find out a number of debentures in each case. So calculation of number of debentures. A number of debentures in case of issue at par. We need to use the formula asset value divided by issue price. Asset value 1,98,000 as given in the question, and the issue price is 100 because the first term is in par, so it is 100. So 1,98,000 divided by 100 will get 1,980 debentures. And the second one, number of debentures in case of issued at 10% premium. The formula remains same, asset value divided by issue price. Asset value 1,98,000 only, but here issue price will vary because we need to add the premium with the face value. We will get the issue price. Face value already we know it is 100, and we need to add 10%. So 100 into 10%, we will get 10 rupees. So 100 plus 10, 110 we should record as a issue price, and 1,98,000 divided by 110, 1,800 debentures in case of premium. And C is a number of debentures in case of issue at 10% discount. Even here also formula remains same, asset value divided by issue price. Asset value 1,98,000, but the issue price will vary because it is a discount. We should minus 10% from face value. Face value 100, 100 minus 10%, the balance will get 90 rupees. So we should record as a 90. So 1,98,000 divided by 90 will get 2,200 debentures. After calculating this only we can post the journals. Even we can do in the Calc and we can record as it is. So I explained with the working note, it is easy to understand, and when we posting the journal entries, the working note will help us. Let's see the journal entries. Journal entries in the books of Sun Pharma Company Limited. and we should make a format date, particulars, LF, debit and credit. And first entry we should record for purchasing of building. So now here Sun Pharma purchased building, so we need to debit the building and we need to credit to NCC Limited. NCC Limited is an vendor, 1,98,000, 1,98,000. Here we debited the building. Building come under asset category, so when asset increased in business we need to debit it. And after buying the building, the company not paying the amount, the company will pay later in a future period, and the company going to issue a debentures. So then it is a credit purchase, so we should credit NCC Limited, because NCC Limited become a liability for the company, it is an creditor. So we should write to NCC Limited account 1,98,000. So building is an asset, we debited, and NCC Limited is an liability for the company, in future want to repay, that is the reason we credited. And we should write the narration being purchased building from NCC Limited. So after purchasing building, now a company going to issue the debenture. The Sun Pharma company going to issue the debenture. So three situations we need to prepare the journal entries. Now it's in first one, debentures issued at par. We need to debit the NCC Limited and we need to credit the debenture to NCC Limited account debit to 10% debenture account 1,98,000, 1,98,000. NCC Limited gave building and now NCC Limited received debentures. Okay, so the debenture is an liability for the business in a future, that's why a debenture credited. According to American approach, when liability increase we need to credit it. So we debited NCC Limited and we credited debenture 1,98,000, and we should write the narration being allotted 1,980 debentures of rupees 100 each for purchase consideration. And next situation is an debentures issued at 10% premium. So here NCC Limited account debit, we should record 1,800 debentures into 110. So we should take as a issue price. So total 1,98,000. In this 1,98,000, premium also included. In this case, we need to separate the debenture and we need to separate securities premium. So to 10% debenture account, 1,800 into the face value is 100. So we need to credit only the face value to the debenture holder, 1,80,000 rupees, and to securities premium account 1,800 debentures into 10 each, it is 18,000. So NCC Limited is sold 1,98,000 worth of building, but they are receiving only the debenture value of 1,80,000, and 18,000 rupees is an securities premium. This is credited to Sun Pharma Limited, and we should write the narration being allotted 1,800 debentures of rupees 100 each and premium of 10 each for purchase consideration. So here 18,000 is a gain for the Sun Pharma. As if we apply the rule, here we credited the debenture as liability increased in business. So when liability increased, we need to credit it according to American approach. And securities premium is a gain for Sun Pharma Company Limited. So when gain increase also, we need to credit it. Is in last case, debentures issued at 10% discount. We need to debit the NCC Limited account 2,200 debentures into 90 each. We need to take the issue price is in 1,98,000. Discount on issue of debentures 2,200 into 10 each, it is on discount 10 rupees, 22,000. To 10% debenture account 2,200 into 100 each, 2,20,000. So in this case, a company sold a building worth of 1,98,000, Sun Pharma giving 22,000 to NCC Limited as a discount, and the NCC Limited will get 2,20,000 rupees as a value of debenture. So it is a loss for Sun Pharma Limited. That's why discount on issue of debenture we debited. According to American approach, when losses increase in business, we need to debit it, and in future Sun Pharma Limited need to pay. It is an 2,20,000 to NCC Limited. So it is a liability for Sun Pharma. So we need to credit when liability increased in business according to American approach, being allotted 2,200 debentures of rupees 100 each and discount of 10 each for purchase consideration. Hope you understood this concept. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. All the best.